Well, we are Bousada Flooring. This is a company that's been created in Canada over the last almost 50 years now. We're a commercial flooring company. We're working in several fields where we can do for either any type of specifications. We can do wood, carpet, vinyl. We're pretty much covering any type of finish that we have. For us, in order to do the estimation or the proper estimation for those projects, would require us every time the accuracy and the simplicity of software, so we can actually get the results the customers are expecting. Time frames in construction, as everybody knows, is always short, so we have to be very efficient on that regard. Also, the flexibility of the system or the software is a very important thing. We know that every project is different. The needs from each client is different as well. Sometimes even the same customers may have different requests for presenting the costing, the projects, the budgets, everything could be different. And we have found in MeasureSquare so far an excellent alternative to attend or to address all these needs. We've been able to get our internal procedures more efficient in several ways. We get the accuracy, and most important for us is the service. The service we're receiving from this company. Always willing to hear, always willing to listen, to understand the needs that we have on the field, and trying to approach different angles, trying to brainstorm with us with no problem. Right now we've been testing the last release. We're very happy with it. It's showing many of our special requests that we've been handing out to this company. So we're very happy to be doing business with MeasureSquare. We hope to keep doing this tighter relationship for the years to come.